Yo, what's up, everybody? Welcome to Money Moves. Thank you for joining me for another episode. Today's March 1st, and let's dive into some of the articles that really caught my eyes. So, the first article I want to show y'all is right here on CoinDesk. It's the main headline that's going all over the news, all over the world, is that Russia has invaded Ukraine, and right now, we're going to talk about the economic effects that come with that. And right here is what we're seeing that when it comes to the economy and what's going on in Ukraine. So, crypto donations to Ukraine jump to 20 million. So, 20 million has been donated in crypto assets to Ukraine. So the FTX founder Sam Bankman-Fried and Chain.com CEO Deepak Tai Palial, excuse me if I botched that, I am horrible at pronouncing names, have contributed. So those two mega giants in the crypto universe have donated to the Ukrainian government. So some of the bullet points I want to highlight it right here is very fascinating. So check this out. So the Ukraine government called for donation to resist the Russian invasion and provide aid to those affected has been embraced by the crypto community, with nearly 20 million raised in Ether and Bitcoin. So just right here, and 20 million has been raised in Ether and Bitcoin, which is awesome, which is showing the generosity of the crypto community, like it says. And it says earlier on Monday, the donation figure hit 10 million, but then it upticked to a figure past 20 million. So it literally doubled from Monday to present day. And then if you look at right here on Monday, Binance announced it would donate 10 million crypto to the effort and launched a crowdfunding portal to encourage its users to donate more. So Binance, a big figure when it comes to the crypto world, because it's one of the biggest exchanges out there, has not only donated 10 million, but also is encouraging its members, which it's universal, to donate even more. So the Ukrainian government's going to distribute some of that money to those in need, the Ukrainians, which is, it's great, to see how everyone is rallying together to help those in need. And it says, according to on-chain data, over 6 million has been received in Ethereum wallet. That includes 1.1 million in Tether and 109,000 in USDC. So, and so right here is going to also talk about how much those mega giants in the crypto world have donated. So the FTX founder Sam Bankman-Fried donated 250,000 in Tether, and Chain.com CEO Deepak donated 100 Ether, which is $277,000. So so that's between those two people right there, donated 500,000 in crypto. And Ukraine's Bitcoin wallet has received 4.2 million. The country has already withdrawn 2.9 million of that amount. And then as we go along, we'll see that over the weekend, Russian art collective Pussy Riot helped form a decentralized autonomous organization, DAO, that raised 3 million in Ether for the war effort and humanitarian relief. A separate wallet for donations to the Ukraine army, run by charity Come Back Alive, has raised 6 million since its inception in 2021. So it's amazing how right now we're seeing, in a time of crisis for the Ukrainian people, and especially too when the financial situations when it comes to banks and stuff like that has obviously been put on pause, where the easiest way, that which is the quickest and the most direct way to provide funds to the Ukrainians is by crypto. And it's just showing how crypto right now is becoming a major asset in the world. Is starting to see how we're not going to need that middleman anymore, that when it comes to providing to sending, wiring money and now you can literally send it over when it comes to crypto and just like that. So let me know in the comments below what you think about all these donations, this $20 million being donated to the Ukrainian people. Leave a comment below. Make sure you subscribe if you like the information that I'm providing. And yeah, let's go on to the next article. So, and now we're going to talk about this. So we talked about the 20 million being donated to the Ukrainians. So this article on Decrypt, Ukraine now accepting Polkadot after raising 20 million in Bitcoin and Ethereum. So now they're also accepting Polkadot. So the Ukrainian government is now accepting Polkadot donations in addition to Bitcoin, Ethereum, and USDT, with more cryptocurrencies to follow. So it's now, they're now expanding on what kind of cryptos they're going to receive, which is great because not everybody is all in on Bitcoin. Some people have a little more of other things that they're more willing to donate, which is great. So right here it says, the Ukrainian government has announced that it is now accepting cryptocurrency donations of Polkadot, and then they tweeted right here. So the people of Ukraine are grateful for the support and donations from the global crypto community as we protect our freedom. We are now accepting Polkadot. So they're tweeting about that if you want to provide any type of donations with Polkadot, they're willing to take it. So check this out about the Polkadot founder, which I like. On February 27, Polkadot founder Gavin Wood replied to the Ukrainian government initial plea for donations, saying he would donate 5 million should the Ukrainian government start accepting Polkadot. So they're accepting it now. And Gavin Wood, let's see if you're going to be now donating that 5 million, like you said. At the time, Wood faced criticism for not simply donating funds or cryptocurrencies for the government accepting at the time. And so this is the tweet that Gavin Wood posted right there, saying that he would donate. So it's amazing. You know, the cryptocurrency world is rallying, donating, you know, to those in need. And it's just showing the efficiency of it, where you no longer need that middleman. So leave a comment. Do you have any Polkadot? You know, are you investing in Polkadot? Leave a comment, you know, give a thumbs up saying that you like Polkadot, or if not, you know, tell me what you think about Polkadot, because I would like to hear everyone's opinion when it comes to it. All right. And so, and now let's move on to the third and final article that I want to share with you guys. And if this kind of moves out the way. All right, perfect. All right. So has the Russia-Ukraine war driven up Bitcoin's price? And this is what this article is going to say on Market Watch. So, all right, Bitcoin has gained 18% since Monday. So Monday was yesterday, and pushing the cryptocurrency near 45,000 on Tuesday after US and its allies levied new rounds of sanctions against Russia for invading its neighbor, and as Ukraine has raised millions of dollars of crypto donations. So I've seen on social media, I've also seen on the news how a lot of the Russian people are withdrawing their money from ATMs, and there's this assumption too that they're now moving their money from, I think is the Ripple into to Bitcoin and other cryptos, because they're because of all this sanctions, it is creating their money to be how should I say this, the value of their currency has devalued, and I think I saw something like 20%, something outrageous like that. So Bitcoin was trending around 44,000, up 2.7% over the last 24 hours. All right, and the person who wrote the article says, as US and its allies levy new sanctions targeting Russia's central bank, some state-owned companies and elite families, there has been some speculation around whether Moscow could gain leeway through crypto. And also, I also put there was also article a couple weeks ago talking about how Russia is now it's going to be allowing crypto to be to be used in their state and how they're going to regulate it. So it goes, as the rubble plunges to less than a penny, dealing surge in Ukraine and Russia currency for Bitcoin and stable coins. So it's that transfer from fiat money to crypto. So are we going to see more of this? So whenever there's going to be times of war, are we going to start seeing that increase? Is this the beginning of the domino that falls, that where the world sees like, hey, for any reason, the value of our fiat money for the country that we're in could go down, and so more of a safer haven. Let's not say safer haven. Let's say a more a way that we can secure where it's not being manipulated by outside organizations. Is crypto is the way to go. So leave a comment if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe. Thank you for tuning in. It is March 1st. I much appreciate it. Thank you. Have a good one. Bye.